Air terminal units.
So they're not. So these would not be fan powered.
Okay.
If you look right here.
Yeah, it's got electric.
So it's got electric heat, right? So these are an end of use. So if you have a big air handle feeding a building, this unit right here takes that air and processes it, and it can heat it back up. So
Okay, so it's like a reheater.
that's exactly right. Reheat air terminal units.
Are these a fan coil?
So they're not. So these would not be fan powered.
Okay.
If you look right here.
Yeah, it's got electric.
So it's got electric heat, right? So these are an end of use. So if you have a big air handle feeding a building, this unit right here takes that air and processes it, and it can heat it back up. So
Okay, so it's like a reheater.
that's exactly right. Reheat, right? So to transfer that heat, a heat exchanger is used to transfer that heat from the steam to the water. So we just changed out a couple of boilers on one of our projects, and we've got a couple of internals to a heat exchanger sitting right over here that you can see that a lot of times you don't have.
Air handler, train, two trains, so a lot of trains, and then the York.
What's the, oh, that's just the cadet. All right, how many tons or sears is the York?
I can't see.
You can't tell.
I don't have any data. So.
No data. Just spoken like an engineer. I love it.
Climate master. Never heard of that before.
Oh.
So,
There's something on the other side you want to see? Maybe we'll work it.
yeah. So is this a variable speed fan motor or a variable speed compressor?
Oh, that's a compressor.
Why does that keep...
Has he gotten to work?
We did away with the timers on it, and the floor heats get too hot.
Oh,
That one don't have a variable speed motor.
so
got
it's
a
cycling
fairly
on and
works
off
motor.
on
We
you.
took the timer out.
As a thermostat.
All right.
It's one of those for the window.
All right, what you got here?
Thermostat, a pressure switch, capacitor, and contactor.
Oh, nice. There you go. You can build your own air conditioner.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Put it in the swag bag. Thank you, thank you. Oh, it was running.
Yeah, it's a heat pump.
Just a heat pump?
Yeah.
Okay, I believe you.
Daniel, do you know American Standard?
Yes.
What is this?
Captive air makeup unit.
What-
Makeup air unit.
A Ruskin.
It's a captive air makeup unit.
Why didn't I know that before? Of course it's a Captive Air makeup unit. Of course. It says right there, Captive Air. Oh, you knew it even without that sign though, didn't you?
Well, I saw that. So. Here are the panels.